Creating consistent characters can be quite tricky at times, and you just need to learn the right technique. It starts with a well-detailed prompt of your character and what is going on in the scene. If you stick with me, I will show you how to create consistent characters on Google Veo 3. So make sure you watch this video to the end to understand how to do this too.
Making your characters remain consistent across every scene in Google's Veo 3 is one of the biggest challenges in AI video generation. And so for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a step-by-step process to help you create consistent characters across different scenes in Google's Veo 3. If you're ready, let's dive in. Now for the first step, we need to create our character. You can use any image generation tool that you want, but for this tutorial, we're going to be using ChatGPT. So for this tutorial, we're going to be creating the image of a young African-American man. I have put the details that I want to see, so next I'm going to click on Generate. Our image is now generated. The next thing we are going to do is to ask ChatGPT to give us a detailed prompt to generate this image in a paragraph style. And ChatGPT will do just that. Make sure to go through your prompt to be sure it has the details that you like. We are going to do something else, like an extra step. We will get another prompt for this image using Gemini. The aim is to see how Google AI sees this image. So we're going to go over to Gemini, upload this image in Gemini, and ask it to generate a detailed prompt for our image. Now we will copy this prompt and combine it with that generated by ChatGPT. And then we will go to ChatGPT, paste it on the prompt box, and ask it to look at both outputs and generate a detailed description of the image in paragraph style that can be used as a template to keeping him consistent across different scenes in Google Veo 3, focusing on his facial features and forgetting about his background. This is the base prompt of our character generated by ChatGPT. You can see how detailed it went with describing our character's facial features. That's exactly what we want. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to create a prompt for the voice. We will also ask ChatGPT to suggest a voice for him and create a prompt for the voice. So ChatGPT suggested a voice profile for our character and has even gone ahead to create the voice prompt. This is the voice prompt ChatGPT created for us. I also went ahead and I told ChatGPT that I wish to call him Jake, just for easy referencing. So from now on, our character is Jake. And then I asked ChatGPT to create a full character and voice template for Jake to be used in creating cinematic videos on Google Veo 3 so that he remains consistent across different scenes, backgrounds, or camera angles. The character template for Jake is ready. Now all you need to do is insert the scene, describe the lighting, the mood, the camera angles, and his tone in order to generate different scenes of him while keeping his character consistent. Now, the next thing we're going to do is copy this template and save it somewhere, maybe in a Word document, so that you can easily go back to it when you need it. You can also go ahead to delete some details you don't like in the template or add some details that you prefer. Just tweak it until you're okay with the prompt. And so to create our video, all we need to do is go to the template we created earlier and fill in the spaces for the scene, the lighting, the camera angle, and all that. If you don't know what to fill in there, just ask ChatGPT to create scenes for you. So in this case, I went to ChatGPT and I said to create me scenes for Jake using the prompt template that it created. As you can see, ChatGPT created me about 5 different scenes. So all I have to do now is copy the information from any of the scenes I'm interested in, take it over to my template, use it to fill up the spaces in my template, and I have a prompt ready to go for Veo 3. I went ahead and I created some videos using the character template we have. I only had to change details of the scene, the background, the sound, and all that. But I made sure that the core details of the image remained the same in every video. Let me go ahead and play them for you to see.
Creating consistent characters can be quite tricky at times, and you just need to learn the right technique. It starts with a well-detailed prompt of your character and what is going on in the scene.
If you stick with me, I will show you how to create consistent characters on Google Veo 3.
So make sure you watch this video to the end to understand how to do this too.
So guys, the key to getting consistent characters is leaving your character description the same, down to the color of their eyes, the shape of their eyebrows, the shape of their head, and every little details. Leave it the same and make sure that you are using the same prompt in every video. All you're doing is changing the description of the environment, the lighting, the camera, and every other details that does not involve the character himself or herself. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create consistent characters in Google Veo 3. And this is especially helpful if you're into short film production, as this will help your characters remain consistent across scenes. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If this video has been helpful, please like and also subscribe to CJX Studio for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next.